Guys, so you can say one more video has been came about machine learning, and in today's machine learning, I'm telling you about the linear function. If we don't know what is linear functions in machine learning, so in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it. Please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So you never miss a future later video. So I did not take a long time, so let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's machine learning video, I am telling about the linear functions. So let's get started without wasting any time and let's learn about what are linear functions. One, linear means, if you don't know what is the linear means straight. Okay, a linear function is a straight line. A linear graph represents a linear function. Linear functions. A function is a special relationship where each input has an output. A function is often written as fx, where x is the input. Now like that, x is 1, y is 1, and the y equals to x is y equals to x equals to 1, like that. Here you can see it. Here you can see like x equals to 2x multiplied by 10, equals to 10, like y equals to 2x equals to 8, like y equals to 2x equals to 6, like y equals to 2x equals to 4, like that. Here you can see it. Linear equations. A linear equation is an equation for a straight line, like that, like y equals to x multiplied by 2, y equals to x multiplied by 2 plus 7, y equals to ax plus b, 5x equals to 3y, y divided by 2 equals to 6, like that, and it will give you this type of output, like that. Non-linear equation. What is the non-linear equations? A linear equation can not contain exponents or square roots, like y equals to x multiplied by 2, y equals to math.sqrt in the bracket there is x, like y equals to math.sin in the bracket there is x, like that. Linear regression. A linear regression is it tries to model the relationship between two variables by fitting a linear graph to data. Once a variable x is considered to be the data and the another y is considered to be the dependent. For example, a linear regression can be modeled to relate the price of houses or to their size. Linear least squares. Linear algebra is used to solve the linear equations. Linear least square LLS is a set of formulation for solving statistical problems involving linear regression. So in today's video of the machine learning, I tell you about the linear functions. I know this video is very smaller because because in today's video there are not such type of explanations, and our videos are not there are not the examples, like there is no coding. That's why these videos are very smaller. In this videos we are only explanations are here, so that's why. But in today's video we learn about the linear expressions in the machine learning. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you don't know what is our linear function, so see this video one more time start to end, then your whole concept will be clear about it, what a linear function in the machine learning. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our future later videos. So for today, goodbye.